Hi there, in this video we're going to be unboxing this brand new RØDE VideoMicro camera microphone, and we're going to connect it to our GoPro Hero 7, which is what we're recording with right now, and see what audio difference it makes. And as a benchmark, we're going to compare the GoPro audio, the RØDE VideoMicro. I've got a Shure SM58 microphone here and a Shure Beta58A microphone here. And we're going to use our mixer to connect it as well to our GoPro. So it's important when we use an external microphone with our GoPro, especially for some of the earlier models, that we use this adapter as well. Now you can get these adapters off eBay and you can get some cheaper alternatives, but from my reading, the genuine GoPro adapter is required. And that's because there's some sort of chip inside which the GoPro recognizes. And the other advantage is it allows us to have not only a microphone input, but also a USB-C input. So we can actually charge our GoPro as we go. So we'll leave that aside and we'll unbox this RØDE VideoMic. Alright, so here's the actual microphone. So it is quite compact. You can see it fits easily within the palm of my hand. And this is what's called a dead furry cat, or a hairy dead furry cat, I'm not too sure. Very interesting name, but its use is just to muffle out and reduce that wind noise, which is excellent. It's exactly what we want. So it comes with a line in there, so we'll just put that back in like that. I'll put that aside. Now it comes with this shock mount, which is excellent. So it just isolates the actual microphone from whatever mounting point you mount this on. So we'll put that there. And we also have this 3.5mm stereo jack, which simply plugs in from the microphone into, in this case, our GoPro adapter. We also get this little booklet that comes with it. I'll just open that up. And it just gives us some basic mounting instructions on how to set it up. Now, the RØDE VideoMic, I haven't actually used this in the past, so we're going to test it out for the first time. I did a lot of research online, and this was one of the better microphones for GoPro or you're running DSLR cameras. It's very compact and it's also very effective, and a big jump up from the audio quality. So the audio you hear now is the standard GoPro 7 audio. So we'll fit this up and give it a test, and also benchmark it against these more studio oriented microphones. Now, another thing that I like about the RØDE already is, being an Australian, it's Australian made and owned, so that's a big plus for me. Alright, so let's set it up and give it a test. And we're just going to remove the adapter so we can set it up with our GoPro. So I'll take that out of the box, put that aside. And here's the adapter. There we go. No instructions with this. That's okay. And there it is. So genuine GoPro adapter. Alright, so now this will have to connect to the side of the GoPro, and the audio will simply plug in to there. Now when we use the studio mixer over there, we're also going to connect the line into here and just swap it out. Alright, so for now we'll plug that in like that, and I'm going to actually have to switch cameras so I can show you how this connects into the GoPro. So I'm just going to quickly cross over to my Sony HD camcorder. This was the original video camera that I used for my early YouTube videos before going to the GoPro 7. So it'll be also interesting to hear the sound quality difference as we swap over. Alright, so I'm going to swap it over so we can show you how to set up the GoPro with this adapter. Alright, so I've switched over and you've probably already heard the sound difference. Now to connect this adapter, we have to take the GoPro out of its case, like that. And I'll just put that aside, and we have to open this compartment, and we're going to have to connect this USB-C into that USB-C connector like that. Now you can see it is quite bulky, this adapter, and it won't actually work using the original case. But what you have to do is actually remove this flap, and it's designed to do that for this very purpose. And you can see that in the case there's an opening for that. So we'll remove that by simply just pulling it out, and that'll allow us to put the GoPro back in its case and actually use it. So I'm just going to turn it on, and there's a few things that we have to do to actually set it up. So if we go into the preferences, I'm not sure if you can see how clear that is, so I apologise if it's not. Go to preferences, and then you're going to go down to input and output here, and then you go audio input. So you got standard mic, you got standard mic plus, powered mic plus, and line in. Now for the RØDE mic, we're going to use the standard mic plus or standard mic, doesn't matter. And then when we actually test the studio mics like this, so just select that, yep, we're going to have to choose the line in option. I'm just going to remove this like that, so it's just a simple clip mechanism, and I'm going to have to remove this again so I can put it back in its case like that. Clip that in, and now you'll see we've got an opening to connect the adapter to. Alright, so let's switch over and test out this microphone. Alright, so we've connected the RØDE microphone, so the GoPro, and you'll probably notice that the sound quality is quite different to what we had with the original GoPro microphone. Now, from my understanding, this is a directional mic, so ideally your sound source, wherever that is, the microphone should be pointing towards that. So this is the RØDE mic. I'm not sure if you can hear, it's actually raining outside. I'm not sure if it's actually picking it up, but you'll notice that the quality is quite different. Now I'll just remove this furry thing over there, and I'm not sure if that's actually made a difference to the sound just yet. I'll find out when I process this, but that's what it looks like as well. So ideally you mount it on some sort of system, and that way the microphone is actually independent by being suspended or isolated from any vibration or disruption source. Alright, so we're going to actually now test these studio microphones using our mixer over there, and just see how that compares with the quality as well. So similar process, we're going to plug in using our adapter. Not sure if we can pick it up. There we go. We're just going to connect that mixer directly to this adapter and remove the RØDE mic. Alright, so now we've connected the Shure Beta58A microphone. So if I hold it closer to my mouth, you'll actually hear it a lot better. So what I had to do with the GoPro is actually change that audio input to line in. So instead of the standard mic configuration, it was a line in. So this is now just testing this microphone and the quality of sound. I'm not too sure how it compares with the RØDE. I would expect it to be better because it is a more expensive microphone, but something like this microphone and that mixer is not very practical when you're in the outdoors filming, whereas this microphone is. Now, this microphone requires power, so we've got 240 volts and then phantom power going into this mic, whereas the RØDE microphone doesn't require any power source, so it'll run off the GoPro's power, which is awesome. Alright, so Beta58A microphone, quality of sound. Now we're going to swap over to the Shure SM58 microphone, which is also a very good microphone, not as high quality as the Beta, but it will be interesting to see how it compares with sound. Alright, so now we're on the SM58 microphone. Again, it's also a directional mic like the Beta and like the Rode. So you'll see if I hold the microphone now to its side, the sound pickup is quite different now to when I hold it directly in front of me. And that's just the nature of these microphones. So again, the SM58, this is the quality of sound you can expect from it. And that's connected to the GoPro adapter via this mixer. Now I'll just go over to the mixer over here so you can see what that looks like. It's just a Behringer unit. It is a bit old, but it is very good. Alright, so let's switch over to the Rode mic once again. Now I've connected the Rode VideoMic back to the GoPro, and again I changed that audio input to a standard mic configuration. So you'll notice again the sound quality is a bit different. So I want to do a few more tests. We're going to test the Rode mic as is, so that's the standard mic selection on the GoPro, and then we're going to use the standard plus. Now I'm not sure what kind of difference that's going to make, so I'm just going to position the microphone here, and that way we've got some sort of reference, and then I'm going to switch over to the standard plus configuration. Alright, so this is the standard plus mic configuration. I'm expecting it to be better. I don't know how much better just yet until I process this video, but this is the standard plus mic configuration once again. Alright, so now I'm going to disconnect the Rode VideoMic, go back to the original GoPro mic and do that standard and standard plus test once more. Alright, so this is the standard mic configuration on the audio input on the GoPro that we have here. And now I'm going to cross over to the standard plus configuration. Alright, so this is a standard plus mic configuration on the GoPro. So no external mics connected, and this is the quality that you can expect with the standard plus. So I hope you found this video informative. In it we unboxed this Rode VideoMicro compact microphone, which is this unit here. And we also unboxed the GoPro adapter, which I've got connected over there. Comes in this box here. And we also use it as a benchmark to compare these studio mics also connected to the GoPro. Now, audio is a very big thing when it comes to videos, and it's very important to have a good quality audio as well as a video. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.